probably something up there we can grab. We could probably stop in Omaha. Chilling, cruising in the Cayman, headed up to Nebraska to pick this guy up a 190 for his boy. See what kind of fuel economy we get in the Porsche on the way up there. Well, this was a wasted trip. Came to look at the Benz. The factory alarm won't shut off, so the lights keep flashing. Can't figure out how to shut it off. It sucks. Only 90,000 miles on it, but she's just a little rough. Came to look at the Benz. It's a little rough, so we're not buying it. Cayman got her some miles racked up though. Gonna have to clean this sucker up real good. Real good when I get home. Alright, well, we just stopped somewhere in Nebraska, or no, this is Iowa. Doozy's Burger and Homemade Ice Cream, Council Bluffs. Cayman's got about 340 miles on this trip so far. She's doing good. She's doing good. She's got a lot of bugs. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a lot of bugs down here. She's going to need a really good washing when we get home. But Doozy's Burgers and Homemade Ice Cream. Let's see how she pans out. Back in the Cayman, 400 miles so far on this tank. Still no gas light. Still got, it says 95 miles still empty. I don't know if that's actually true. But she's done pretty good on fuel. 400 miles so far on this tank as we make our way back from Omaha area back to Kansas City. Haven't stopped for gas yet. This is the Cayman 2.7 base, 07. So it only has a 5-speed. I'm actually really shocked at how good it's doing on fuel right now. We'll update you guys once we get to a gas station, find out what kind of gas mileage this thing's getting. Well, we made it to Fawcett, Missouri. Got 27 miles left. 466.6 miles on this tank. Stopped at the truck stop here to fill up. Not bad fuel economy. I'll calculate it here in just a few and see what we got. Alright guys, 466 miles, 15.5 gallons. The trusty Cayman did me a solid 30 miles per gallon exactly. Super stoked. 30 miles per gallon. She did me good. Not too shabby.